Good morning, guys. Good morning from London. I just made my way here, guys. I made my way here, guys, from Doha. Now I'm headed to arrivals, baggage claim, all those kind of stuffs that I don't know how long it's gonna take me. And then we are going to go get chocolate or maybe coffee. And then we see how to start the day in London. Welcome to London, guys. Good thing is I'm in no hurry. Because it's, what time is it? 7 in the morning. I'm in no hurry at all, you guys. At all. No hurry. Just doing my thing slow. I'm actually the last person, guys. Apart from the one lady just behind me, everybody else left. Still at the airport and I lost my luggage. You guys. I'm gonna explain the story of me losing my luggage, but first, one thing about me, I never panic when I lose things or when something bad happens. I have this calm habit. Like, I'm usually extremely calm, because for some reason I don't really know what's gonna happen, if I find it or not. So I just have to go with the flow. So I never panic. So I lost my luggage, which I'm gonna explain in a bit or in a different video. I'm not so sure yet. So I left the airport, went to get a train, took a train, did some things here and there, just passed some tourist things in London, Big Ben and red buses, all those good things that people do in London. I did most of the things, you guys. And I'm telling you, my steps, like you see these steps where they count, I did 25,000. 25,000, you guys. Oh, man.
Call me crazy when you talk about me. I never call you crazy, and I'm not crazy.
So as I've told you, most of the things are touristy things. So after visiting the museum, it was a really cool museum, the London Eye, you guys, London Eye. So payment was £42. So £42, I think, if I'm not wrong, or £45, I'm not wrong. It goes round for like 30 minutes. It was amazing. It was beautiful seeing London from the London Eye. Like, once you get on top there, it's amazing, you guys. It's so beautiful. It's just amazing. It's amazing. It was worth it. It was worth it. After breaking my record of 25,000 steps, it was time to have some hot chocolate and finally Cinema World for a movie.
you're not treating everyone like that. No way you're eating just anyone like that. What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that.
How are you guys? Good morning. Good morning, Kenya. Hi.
Are you for the slide?
Yes, I am.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Do you have any pockets to put your camera in?
Yeah. Is it a scary thing?
Is it scary? No, it's not scary.
Alright.
I'm not even saying that. It's really not scary. Maybe like the first turn it will be a little bit like, oh no, what?
Oh my god.
And then after it's like, yeah.
Ooh, let me go get some coffee. Exit like that or like that? I came in.
Exit back through the reception.
Oh, all right. Thank you. All right. Ooh, you guys, I have done it. I have no idea what I was doing. Anyway, you guys, so today here I came to Stratford. This is Stratford. I came to this circus thing, you guys. Oh my god, adrenaline this thing. Oh my goodness, you guys. Anyway, let me try see what did I do. It's not shown there. I could have shown you what I did. I went down. Oh my goodness, you guys. Anyway, it's an amazing day. Yesterday I was in London just walking around seeing things here and there. London Eye, the bridge. I went around the London Eye and did a few things here and there. I am now here and it's freezing cold. It's freezing. And the trees, this is where I am. Anyway, let me go back, get some coffee, and then we call it a day.
Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose, I'm giving to.
Few days later, train station, Victoria.Watch station, a train to Scotland. So this is Victoria.Watch station, you guys. It's amazing, it's beautiful. It's not like back home where everything is just disorganized, I'd say. I'm not trying to bash my country, but being here just reminds me how far behind we are as a country. So at Victoria.Watch station, you guys booked a ticket, then you go to your boarding gate. Oh my goodness, you guys. There is Starbucks, had some breakfast just to keep going for the long journey. It was going to be like an 8-hour or 10-hour journey to Scotland. And means of transport is the bus, flexi bus. It's so beautiful. It had at all. It's just so beautiful. It was amazing. The only bad thing is that it had the seats weren't spacious as I'd wanted. Anyway, on our journey to Scotland, and after a long day, after sleeping, seeing places, lots and lots of Lipton tea, we made our way to Edinburgh, Scotland.
Those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. Take time on my knees, whatever you like. 'Cause you're always on mine. You're the only boy. Don't make me say please. It's been enough time. Now you're passing your mind.
So the same night, after arriving here in Scotland, we decided to hop on this bus. It's a ghost bus. Ghost, you guys, ghost.
Are you the ghost of the granny?
Not really scary to me because I don't know, it wasn't really scary as I wanted, but it was good having to know some history of Scotland at night. So this ride was at night, you guys. It was at night, moving around, seeing things. This guy explained a lot of things, and it was amazing for the first day in Scotland. First night in Scotland, being explained things to do with ghosts of Scotland.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of you. insecurities. Did it all, I leave me.
So after spending a few days in Scotland doing touristy things as usual, hopped on the bus, flexi again, off to Manchester, back to England. So in Manchester, it was amazing. It was beautiful. My first day, my first time ever in Manchester City. It was beautiful. It was amazing. Still touristy things here and there, just moving, seeing things, having fun. So I'm not a fan of football at all. Like, I don't understand anything football, but being in Manchester, you know what? There's a stadium here. So we decided to go to this is called what? Old Trafford? Yeah, I think Old Trafford. We went to Old Trafford where my size was the baby size. So I got that jersey, called jersey or whatever that thing is called. And yeah, and the day goes on, just having fun, moving around, seeing things. You guys, as I mentioned, I'm not a football fan, but somehow I found myself at this stadium. So this was Etihad for Manchester City. I'm not a fan of these things, you guys, but it's nice being here for once. After spending a few days here in Manchester, decided to hop on a bus again to London. In London, didn't stop, didn't do anything. Now this time it was National Express. I've used this before going to Wales on my first trip to England. So yeah, National Express to where? National Express to London, and from London to Canterbury, down south. I don't know if it's south or just down, near the border of England and France.
Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
So one thing I've come to realize is that England, or the United Kingdom, is very historical.
More accurately, the Great Stuart.
So most of the things I was doing here were historical things, just purely all, like you see where we are, it's like a canal. This is in Canterbury. It's a beautiful, we got to be explained lots and lots of things which I didn't know, and I'm happy that this guy was good enough to tell us most of the things. Now, time to head to Kenya.
Change for service to Heathrow Terminal 4.
Several hours on these beautiful flights. Qatar Airways, London to Qatar to Nairobi. You guys, I landed not knowing I didn't have my phone. Now this is us almost landing in Nairobi, Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, my beautiful country. I landed here not knowing I didn't have my phone. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you how I lost my phone, how I lost my luggage at Heathrow International Airport. So thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you so much for enjoying this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video.